Gamete formation. Internally, testes in males and ovaries in females have lining of germinal epithelium. It divides by meiosis to produce haploid sperms and ova. In females, the gametes are produced up to the age of menopause, that is, approximately 45 years. In males, sperms are produced even in old age. In human females, functioning of reproductive cycle begins at the age between 10 to 14 years. This cycle is usually of 28 days, during which female gamete is released by the ovary. Along with ovum, various hormones are secreted by the pituitary gland. At the age of 45 to 50 years, this reproductive cycle stops. This is called menopause. Fertilization. During copulation, millions of sperms are released in the vagina of the female reproductive system. The sperms travel from vagina to the oviduct. Oviduct is the site where the union of sperm and ovum takes place, that is, fertilization. Development of embryo and birth. After fertilization, zygote is formed in the oviduct. It starts dividing by mitosis to form embryo. Simultaneously, embryo starts migrating towards the uterus. On entry into the uterus, embryo attaches to the wall of the uterus called implantation. A placenta is an organ formed both by mother and the fetus inside the uterus. It is formed for exchange of food and waste material between mother and the fetus. Development of fetus in the uterus takes place about 9 months under the control of hormone estrogen. The process of childbirth begins once the fetal development is completed. A hormone named oxytocin helps during childbirth. Menstrual cycle. In humans, female reproductive system undergoes cyclic changes at the interval of 28 to 30 days. It is called reproductive or menstrual cycle. Hormones like follicle stimulating hormone FSH, luteinizing hormone LH, estrogen and progesterone play an important role in this. This cycle involves major steps. First, menstrual or bleeding phase lasts from day 1 to 4. Unfertilized egg, inner wall of uterus called endometrium are removed. This is called menstrual flow. Second, follicular phase. It extends from day 5 to 13 or 14. Follicle from ovary matures under the influence of follicle stimulating hormone. Endometrium gets repaired. Third, ovulation phase. It occurs on 13th or 14th day of the cycle. Follicle releases ovum. Remaining tissue of the follicle forms corpus luteum. Fourth, secondary phase. Hormone progesterone is secreted by corpus luteum and endometrium. If fertilization does not occur, this cycle gets repeated. Twins. Students, you must have seen that sometimes two persons look very identical as they are twins. Usually, in that case, both are either girls or boys. They are called identical twins. They are formed from a common embryo. But sometimes, two individuals, one boy and the other girl, or of same gender are twins but look different. They are non-identical twins. Modern technology. Sometimes it is seen that couples cannot have children due to several reasons. But now, due to advancement in medical science, there are solutions to this problem. First, in vitro fertilization, IVF. Fertilization occurs in laboratory in a test tube. Embryo is implanted in the uterus. Second, surrogacy. Some women face the problem of embryo implantation and its development. In such situation, fertilized embryo is implanted into the uterus of another woman. She is called the surrogate mother. Third, sperm or semen bank. This is a relatively new concept. Semen or sperms are collected of male individuals and stored. They are used for fertilization in laboratories. Reproductive health. Students, when we talk about it, it does not just mean the physical, mental and social health of the person. Reproductive health is also an integral part of the concept of health. To maintain good reproductive health, social awareness is very necessary. People must understand its importance. Also, in our country, higher ratio of males to females, child marriage, population explosion are other problems faced. Following a healthy lifestyle will help to solve these problems.